This is Beng Tsonga in SA with Samso Mabasana.
Fumani and Shiluvana, Pinjani, Perile, and Shikani, because some of the
Ina itwangaku it's kuna kuhambana ku mina nti nsati un'wana ku isati. Yenga malamelo laugh at him kwa edangi en. That's stupid.
It's dumb, guys.
It's like ndilu,
Nzilo.
Yeah. Bobo twari ndilo. Yuna nzilo. And ivelo
was one. Bamani, barinzilo. Papa, barinrilo. Kaingo yingwe. Ibuteka mena labani. Mama bari mina, papa bari me. Mena labani, iri me. Arimina. Mara hinzilo.
Ichumu.
sweet.
Engaze wona usa remre kwa baka. Yeah, so emakobano abalabanye abarena they used Giyani to vehicle all their identity politics.
Is it okay? Is it only about identity politics? There's something that we speak about a lot. Kuri, sometimes when a person is abused for so long, and hasn't been receiving certain attention for so long, whenever they see something comes up, they end up saying it's bad.
It's bad,
even though it's not necessarily bad. Don't you think, guys? Kuri, it's the same thing here, Batsonga. We've been denied for so long.
And someone can na Greg Maluk before Nefamba Kai say no, we're just discussing what we can do in the future. And was talo go work fambe balaku ungatunga kubugu bokushongula ngaku wamzani. Yes, I can work, my guy. Yeah, just so I wanted to do a series with Kaya about Bavenda Nabatsonga, because we've never healed like a TRC, a tribal TRC.
We've never heard. Yes.
We've never had a chance to speak about the things South Africans have put us through. The pain, Yisiwa. That's one of the reasons why on being Tsonga Nesanu we need Mazima, because he was the premier. He's fresh off.
And he never spoke Tsonga not once in any podium.
Mena, that guy was my hero, because Mena, every time he appeared on the news, man, I'm like, Tsonga.
I did not know that.
Yeah, Mena, I was like, that was my hero. That's and in Nibutsa Ole Gurini. What does he do? Imago Ole couldn't explain what premier is. I'm the president of Gauteng. That shit. That's all I needed. That's all I needed, because Antamana was Sutuna Mazulu. Every time I go Boreka, Abasasela Batsonga, but I had the power. You, hey, Kuna Mbazim. Mbazim, my boss, I won't win a Mengenzel Chum. Then I discover a teeth, and then Tito disappoint me later in life. Tito gang get it.